Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Candis and I like to make cleaning, organization, home decor type videos. If you like things like that, I would love for you to subscribe. We also recently just hit 100K on my channel and I'm still in shock. So thank you guys so much. So before we get started with today's Sunday reset routine, I wanted to tell you guys about my Thrive box that just arrived in the mail yesterday. If you guys don't know about Thrive, they are pretty much an online membership-based grocery store that carry the highest quality and organic groceries, and they're also affordable. For me, I don't have a ton of high-end specialty grocery stores. I have to go out of town for that. So the fact that I can just shop online for all of those cool products that you don't normally see in your regular grocery store, I can shop for all of that stuff online. Makes things so much easier because it shows up to your door within just a couple of days. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. All right, so the first thing that I noticed when I opened the box a few minutes ago was this Healthy Living Made Easy recipe book, and it has over 60 recipes and it says all in 30 minutes or less. You guys know I love to cook, so I can't wait to try things out from this recipe book. This was actually a free gift. You get to pick out a free gift at checkout, and this is the one that stood out to me the most. You get a few different options. This actually came as a bundle with two other things, so whenever I pull those out, I will show you guys what came along with this. So excited about that. This actually came with the recipe book. It's almond butter, and it says 100% almonds, no sugar or no salt added. I am not a peanut butter fan at all, so hopefully this will be good. I love making a good charcuterie board, so I had that in mind while shopping on Thrive, and I came across these Mary's Gone crackers, original crackers. These are gluten-free and plant-based. And then, all right, so we use kosher salt around here, but we've been kind of thinking about switching it up and trying other brands out. This is the Malden sea salt flakes, and I've heard so many good things about this. So when I saw that Thrive carried this, I immediately put it in my cart. All right, this might not be for everybody, but smoked mussels is one of my favorite snacks. They carry a few different flavors. This is the lemon herb mussels, and believe it or not, there are a ton of health benefits when it comes to tinned fish, especially if you try to get a better brand or a higher quality tinned fish. The Patagonia smoked mussels are the best. Again, with the tinned fish, so I've been wanting to try the Fishwife smoked salmon. I heard it was really good. Thrive Market carries it at an affordable price, so I definitely put this in my cart. I love all of the Fishwife packaging. I just think it's so cute. So I got these for the kids. These are French toast snack bars. I'm not sure what they look like. Okay, so they're these little tiny snack bars. So hopefully the kids like this as a little snack to just throw in their lunchbox. Another thing that I got are these steamed and marinated artichokes with basil and thyme. I feel like this might be good on a charcuterie board as well. Everything is packaged really well. Everything is in a bag, and then they're wrapped with this wrapping paper that keeps them protected. So I've never tried or even heard about this brand. This is the Red Boat Vietnamese simmer sauce. You just add it over chicken, pork, shrimp, tofu, or mushrooms, any kind of vegetable or meat pretty much that you want. This is the next thing I got. It's kind of like that simmer sauce, but this is just a teriyaki sesame ginger sauce that I can just pour over some chicken for a quick dinner. This is by the brand Naked and Saucy. So I got these also for a charcuterie board, which is marinated feta and olives. Look good. This is by the brand Davina. We love Indian food in this house, so I picked up this tikka masala simmer sauce, and I'm just gonna pour this over some chicken. We love tikka masala, so I can't wait to try this out. Last but not least, this was part of the free gift, and this is ghee, which is clarified butter. This is by the brand Fourth in Heart. So I had to put my sweater back on because it was getting super cold, but that's it for my very first Thrive order. If you're interested in Thrive, click the link in my description box and join Thrive Market today. You'll get 30% off your first order and a free gift worth up to $60. Let's get back to today's Sunday reset routine. Today I'm just going to be doing some basic cleaning downstairs, cleaning the windows, the mirror, vacuuming the couch. I do have a recipe at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. I won't be doing a lot of talking in this video because everything is so basic and self-explanatory. If anything, I'll show you guys or tell you guys what products I'm using. We'll be talking you guys through the recipe at the end, but for the most part, I'm just gonna have some music playing, so let me know if you like this style. It kind of reminds me of the OG cleaning videos back in the day when people started doing these. They never did voiceovers, they just had music the whole way through.
don't have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little bit closer, babe. Let's see if I can warm you up. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Just wait. Let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby. Wanna stay? Let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby. Don't stop, this is my favorite part. Hold me like it's out of style. Imagination is running wild. Eternity is in your smile. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Just wait. Let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby. Wanna stay? Let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself.
Pausing on cleaning right now. My youngest is ready for lunch. I'm gonna make him a little smorgasbord, which is a little mix of everything. It's one of his favorite lunches. Have a little mix of fruit, a small salad, some really good deli meat. I got Cajun turkey breasts and some boar's head pepperoni, and then what else? Crackers, and I believe that was it.
And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own.
Wait up, ain't got no time for that. I've stayed up, I was hoping that you would change your ways. Wake up, you blew your final chance. Make up, I'm trying but I cannot be mad at you. I don't know how you got me weak. I should leave this to give. Your body's calling me for real. My love's like an enemy. Stay awake till the morning.
Switching out my battery on my Dyson because it's about to die. This one actually came with a backup battery, which is really nice. I would say these batteries last about 30 minutes if you are vacuuming for 30 minutes straight. I would say I just use it on the regular suction, but there is a higher one which makes your battery run out faster. But I don't think I've ever used any kind of vacuum for 30 minutes straight without stopping throughout the day. But since I do use it randomly throughout the day or just when needed, it does kind of preserve the battery, so I don't have to switch it out every other day. I switch it out maybe once every 1 or 2 weeks. I don't think I showed you guys my new side table. It's similar to the one on the other side, just a little bit different. This one is also marble. It's really heavy and it has this muted down gold 3-legged base, which I love.
Trust me, I can never do you wrong. I take a bullet for you. If I lose you, I would not know what to do. I've fallen for you hopelessly. Hold on, I think I'm losing it. Come on, I'm telling you, I think we should slow it down. Cold out when you turn your back on me. Feels like we've reached the point of no return now. I don't know how you got me weak. I should leave this to give. Your body's calling me for real. My love's like an enemy. Stay awake till the morning. I hate when you leave me. I hate when I'm lonely. Yeah, 'cause you must trust me. I can never do you wrong. I take a bullet for you. If I lose you, I would not know what to do. I've fallen for you hopelessly. Remember the things that you told me? They got me moving forward. And all the times that we disagreed just cut my respect deeper. I'm feeling that we are something really, oh, special when I look back on us. It's starting to sink in, don't want it to be misunderstood. Rolling in the deep, don't want to break this. 'Cause you must trust me, I can never do you wrong. I take a bullet for you. If I lose you, I would not know what to do. So baby, won't you trust me? 'Cause you must trust me, I can never.
It's been freezing cold outside, so tonight for dinner we're going to be making some Zuppa Toscana soup. I like to make enough for leftovers, so if you don't want to make this much, just cut everything in half. I'm going to start by crumbling 2 pounds of spicy breakfast sausage in a large pot. When you're done with that, Set it to the side after you drain off the grease, and then you're gonna add in 1 medium onion and 4 to 8 slices of diced bacon. I actually didn't have bacon when I made this video, so I'll show you guys what I end up using. Obviously, fresh bacon always tastes best. If you don't have bacon or you want to speed up the process, use this bag of real bacon pieces. I throw the whole bag in. Then I just do a few scoops of minced garlic, or you can use fresh garlic, just eyeball the amount. Cook for about a minute, then add in 8 cups of water, 6 bouillon cubes, maybe 4 to 7 whole potatoes cut into cubes. It kind of depends on how hearty you want the soup. I like to use those little bite-sized red potatoes. I just cut those in half, and you know, they come in that little bag. I just use maybe about a bag and a half. Let everything simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until the potatoes are almost done. And then you're gonna add the remaining ingredients. So you're gonna add your sausage back in. You're gonna add a whole bunch of kale, however much you want, about a cup of heavy whipping cream, and some salt and pepper to taste, but I really didn't have to add much because of all the bouillon cubes I put in there. You can also add in some red pepper flakes, and all there's left to do is let your kale cook down and let everything simmer and marinate all together just for a couple minutes, and that is it. This clip right here was after everybody ate, so I didn't have that much left in the pot. I just wanted to show you guys what the after looks like, but that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on the next one.